Did you know that a shepherd boy's mistake in 1947 proved the Bible we read today is exactly the same as it was 2,000 years ago? A young boy was looking for his lost goat near Qumran when he threw a rock into a cave. Instead of hearing his goat, he heard something break. Inside that cave, he found ancient jars filled with scrolls that would change everything we know about the Bible. These scrolls were 1,000 years older than any Bible text we had before. The most amazing discovery was a complete scroll of Isaiah that matched our modern Bible word for word. After 2,000 years, nothing had changed. But here's what's even more incredible. These scrolls showed us exactly what Jewish people believed and practiced during Jesus' time. Every detail the Gospels tell us about their customs, their hopes for a Messiah, and their religious ceremonies was perfectly accurate. When you read today's Gospel from the Vatican, you're reading the same reliable words that have been preserved for centuries. That shepherd boy's accident proved it. Our faith stands on solid ground.